Hey everyone, my name's Jillian and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing an easy way to make metallic insert cards with the Cricut Joy. The material I'm going to be using is the Paper Studio foil card pack that I found at Hobby Lobby. It comes with gold, rose gold, and silver, and it's the exact size as the medium card with the Cricut Joy insert packs. It's the 5.5 by 4.25 size. This pack also comes with matching envelopes, but you're going to have to use your own inserts. I like to create my own, but if you have any extra Cricut Joy insert card packs laying around, you can use an insert from there. Lately, I have been in Christmas card making mode with testing out my new Cricut Joy, but since you might be watching this video at a different time of year, let's go ahead and make a birthday card as an example. When you're using custom materials like this and not just using the basic Cricut Joy insert cards, make sure to use the Cricut Design Space app and not the Cricut Joy app. The Design Space app allows you to customize your material even more so you can get a clean cut. In the Cricut Design Space app, I'm selecting the birthday card that I would like to make. Choose the designs that are cut-only files so that you don't run into any possible issues with a pen or foil not showing up on this shiny material. Once you've found the card that you'd like to make, start going through the steps that Cricut prompts you with to make the card. If you are using the same cards that I have, you'll select the medium size. Now, when you get to the point where you are choosing the material, I have found that with this specific card, the glitter cardstock option works really well and gives me a clean cut. You may think that you can just do the Cricut insert card setting and select the option to use more pressure, but I tried that and it did not work. To be on the safe side and avoid any frustration, I just use the glitter cardstock option and it's working out well. Okay, it looks beautiful. It's all done, so let's see how it looks when it comes off the mat. This was a perfectly clean cut. I didn't have to remove any pieces of paper that were stuck to the design. Now the final step is to place the insert card inside. I'm gonna use a glitter silver cardstock. I love how this turned out. Here's a look at the completed birthday card. The contrast of the rose gold and the silver looks so nice together and really steps up the card from your basic design with the plain paper that comes in the Cricut Joy insert packs. For even more inspiration on color combinations, here are those Christmas cards I mentioned at the beginning. This is a new channel where I make videos on ways to elevate different areas of your life, and that includes DIY projects, home decor, organization, and product reviews. I'd love to have you join me for the next one, so tap that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. Good luck making your metallic cards with the Cricut Joy, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye!